right in front of the Kanthewala Naka, which is the edge, the post at the edge.
And this gate is also called the Bandar Gate. Now what's a Bandar? It means a port in Gujarati, and I'm not monkeying around.
Beyond this lies the promise of yummy dabeli.
And this one is the Gaba Dabeli, which is going to be a big mama of all dabelis. Let's go check it out. Gaba Dabeli wala kidhar milega? Gaba Dabeli wala kidhar hoga? Thank you.
आप गाबा दाबेली वाले को जानते हैं? हाँ। कहाँ पे है वो? यहाँ पे
ये गाबा डबेली वाला किधर होगा? सामने. Thank you. Here's the strange thing in India. As you get closer to the place that you're asking directions for, the directions become less detailed. So when you're really close, the direction is like this. Here. That means we're really close. आपके डबेली के बारे में बहुत सुना है. As you can see, he's so popular. He's not quite yet begun, but already there's people gathered around to eat.
आप हर दिन आते हैं यहाँ पे? हर दिन खाने के लिए?
इतना फेवरेट है, एक दफा खाओगे तो हर दिन आपको चाहिए.
There you go. It's so good that if you eat it once, you'll eat it at all times. So it doesn't matter that it's 11:30. This is when he starts his shop. It sells out very, very quickly, and there's always a lot of people here and a lot of traffic.
There have been people that have been hanging around here waiting for the last half an hour just for the man to open so they can come and have their favorite breakfast.
Here's the famous dabeli. Finally, we have a chance to sink our teeth into it.
And it's very tasty.
It's a mixed, spicy vegetable broth with loads of cinnamon in it. Extremely flavorful.
There's somebody out there asking for 20 of them to be parceled. Here's how famous this guy is. Everybody comes here. Not only do they want to eat here, they want to take enough home also.
It's only a potato masala. Extremely spicy. And it's very, very good. Do or thing, please.
And the amazing thing is, I really struggle with spicy. But he's got something that adds a little touch of sweetness to it. And this is interesting spice. I'm crying here. I'm sweating. But I want some more.
It's incredible. He seems to have about 200 of these paws over here, but they're flying away quickly. हमको दो और देंगे, please दो और, please दो.
He's got one gentleman there helping him. Sir, you also come and eat here every day?
Yes.
Every day. Morning and evening or only morning?
Morning.
Morning. And how many do you eat? 2 or 3.
This man is dishing out that dabeli as fast as is possible. Ever since we got here, he hasn't stopped moving, and he's dishing out about one every 10 seconds. That puts him about 6 a minute, and he's going to keep going for about 2 hours. This is incredible exercise.
This is the kind of focus that Rocky and I like to see in people that are giving us food. Sort of matches ours. एक दिन में कितना बनाते हैं?
600.
600. सुबह और 600 शाम को?
नहीं, 300 सुबह, 300 शाम को.
This man's passion is making me cry. No, it's not the spice.
दो और देंगे फिर. I'm not ashamed to say this. This is my 9th and 10th dabeli. And so is his. Don't go by the innocent look on his face. This stuff is extremely interesting. I just don't want to get back into that line. It's extremely spicy, yet it's sweet. But once you start eating it, you can't stop. What is it, man? He doesn't eat chilies. He doesn't eat chilies. That's the 9th one that he's eating. I don't know how he's still surviving.
I'm suffering, but at the same time, I am loving this.
Whoever says that Gujarati food is not hot, come down to Manvi to the Gaba Dabeli Wala and eat your words along with this dabeli. This is excruciatingly spicy, even for me. It's the best snack I ever ate in my life. Recommended. Highly recommended. Get down to Manvi now. sitting here in the shade, enjoying the breeze right next to the Katewala Naka, which is the corner door. In case you're wondering how come we know so much, because we're sitting with the wise men of the village. We're getting wiser.